Is your energy backwards? Wide awake at night, yet tired when the day starts? There's a good reason that happens, and it's not just stress. Let me show you what's going on under the surface. Something's draining your energy, but it's not what you think. You might sleep enough. You try to eat right, but you still feel exhausted, foggy, or wired at the wrong time. Maybe you reach for a coffee or something sweet just to keep going. But what if the real issue isn't your sleep or your diet? What if your energy is off balance because your adrenal rhythm is out of sync? There's a hidden reason your body feels tired when it should feel sharp. Let me show you something that might explain why. It's called the adrenal fatigue cycle. Your body is built to follow a natural rhythm. Your energy should rise after waking, stay steady through the day, and dip at night for sleep, restful sleep. This curve is driven by cortisol, which is a hormone made by your adrenal glands. And it might look like this. On the graph over here, we see this is your energy level, and this is the AM time and the PM time. And we see on the healthy chart, you have a sort of low energy at night. You've been waking up in the morning. Your energy comes up and runs fairly steadily throughout the day. Then towards the end of the day, your energy winds down, getting ready for sleep. But when you're under too much stress, too often, eating poorly, or not truly resting, this rhythm can flip. Energy can spike at night, making it hard to sleep. You feel wired at night when you should be winding down. Then you drag through the day. It might look like this. Here's our wired and tired person. The energy spikes at night. And then as morning comes, the energy begins to fade. Some people actually fall asleep, but then it's time to begin your day, and the energy is fairly low throughout the day. Then later at night, it begins to pick up again. This is the wired and tired pattern I see in my clinic all the time. It's a clear sign that your adrenal rhythm is out of sync. You might also crave salty snacks, feel lightheaded when standing, or just feel like you're running on empty all the time. Your lab test might look normal, but deep down, your energy system is misfiring. In the next few minutes, I'll give you 4 things that you can do to get your energy back. If you're always tired, drop a comment below and let me know what time of day you have the hardest. Morning, afternoon, or evening. I read every comment, and your feedback helps me plan future videos. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've dedicated my life to helping people avoid unnecessary medications and surgery by giving them options that are both safe and effective. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. Let's start by clearing the toxic residue from your brain. One of the easiest ways to do that is by side sleeping. Your brain has a built-in drainage system called the glymphatic system. It works best during sleep, especially when you're lying on your side. Think of it like a nightly rinse that helps your brain stay clean and sharp. The second thing that you can do is to use cold water to jumpstart your energy in the morning. A 30-second cold water shower, a cold water blast at the end of the shower can wake your body up. This gets your blood moving and can lift your mood. It might be uncomfortable at first, but many people enjoy the boost of their mood and often extend it to a minute or even longer. The third step is to calm your system and promote deep sleep. You can do this by squeezing special acupressure points on your finger pads. Start by gently squeezing the pad of your thumb 25 times, like this. So your thumb is right over here. This part of the thumb is called the pad. So just go ahead and squeeze it. Or if you have a Teishin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times like this. Now we're going to do this point on your index finger. That's this finger right over here. And this, of course, is the pad. You just grab it, doesn't matter how you grab it, and pulse it 25 times, like this. Or you can pulse it 25 times with the Tei Shin like this. Now go ahead and pulse each additional finger 25 times. When that hand is done, repeat on the other hand. This simple acupressure trip calms your nervous system and helps lower stress. It's a great way to relax before bed or help you get back to sleep if you wake up during the night. The fourth step is deep brain cleansing. If weight builds up in your brain, it can make you feel foggy and tired during the day and restless at night. That's why I've made a video called How to Clean Your Brain. I put it up here. Have a look.